How to fix error code 0x80246017 on Windows 10. Case Study 1, Fix Windows Update Error Code 0x80246017 on Windows 10. FYI, builds older than 9879 will need to upgrade first to 9879 and then install the KB3025379 and KB3025380. 1. Check if the status of update-related Windows services are running properly. They are: Windows Update, Manual, Triggered, Background Intelligent Transfer Service, Manual. 2. Run Windows Update Troubleshooter. 3. Disable your, any third-party, antivirus or, defender, firewall temporarily, as admin. Or, try update. Your Windows in its safe mode with networking. Here's how to start Windows in safe mode or safe mode with networking. http://bit.ly/2ezqqg3. 4. Grant full control of system volume information directory by running the following command as admin: take:/fc:\system volume information /r/dy and /c:\system volume information /grant r system f/t/c/l5. Run the Reset Windows Update agent at http://bit.ly/2tkjagi as admin. Important, serious problems might occur if you modify the registry incorrectly. Before you modify it, back up the registry for restoration in case problems occur. 6. Try upgrading your Windows 10 later as it could be a temporary phenomenon, server issue. 7. Delete previous Windows installation files by running this command: rundle32.exe clean.dll rundle_clean /driver/max clean as admin. Remove temporary files and previous Windows installations with disk cleanup tool. Reboot your computer. 8. Open Registry Editor, go to the hkey_local_machine /software/Microsoft/Windows self-host /applicability patch. Locate branch name and check if it shows FBL_awesome1501. Find threshold risk level. and change its value to low. Locate threshold internal and threshold opted in. Delete them both. Close Registry Editor and reboot your PC. 9. Case Study 2, Error Code 0x80246017 when trying to download new preview build. 1. If you did change the registry keys, a refresher on what they should be is as follows: computer /h key _ local _ machine /software /Microsoft /Windows self-host /applicability branch name equals FBL _ awesome 1501 threshold risk level equals low threshold internal equals should not exist threshold opted in equals should not exist. You can use these commands from an admin command prompt, Windows key +X, select command prompt, admin, reg add h key _ local _ machine /software /Microsoft /Windows self-host /applicability /v branch name /DFBL _ awesome 1501 /T reg _ SC /F reg add h key _ local _ machine /software /Microsoft /Windows self-host /applicability /V threshold risk level /D low /T reg _ SC /F reg delete h key _ local _ machine /software /Microsoft /Windows self-host /applicability /V threshold internal /F reg delete h key _ local _ machine /software /Microsoft /Windows self-host /applicability /V threshold opted in /F2. For users running the no build of 9879, update KB3025380 is required to be sent the January build of Windows 10 technical preview. If you don't have KB3025380 installed and if scanning Windows Update did not produce it, you can install via Microsoft Update Catalog at http://bit.ly/2bu14. For users running the original release of Windows 9841, the same applies and the update KB3025379 is found at http://bit.ly/2ucpvfc. Case Study 3, Error 0x80246017 after KB3035129 update. 1. Remove KB3035129 and block that update from reinstalling, http://bit.ly/2fjvqql. 2. Back up your personal data, then perform a clean install of Windows 10, http://bit.ly/2 the UZN. Case Study 4, you could not update apps in Microsoft Store. 1. Reset Windows Store cache by typing usreset.exe in the run box. 2. Uncheck use a proxy server for your LAN box in IE11. 3. Change the region. Settings to US.